I love making earrings. Hi, it's Princess Ling. Today, I've decided that I'm gonna make some earrings that's gonna match my shirt to some kind of degree, because this is like the perfect shirt to test my earring making skills, because why the heck not?
Here's me awkwardly holding all of the pieces to these earrings to show you the elements that went into it. Hope you love my wonderful recording skills of these pieces up close because I'm just terrible at up close shots. Please enjoy. Thanks.
Like and subscribe, please. So hopefully you can see the results of the earrings. You know, maybe it's more detailed than it should be, but like, look, it matches my shirt, okay? I'm recording on my phone, so you can't see a full wide shot of me, but it's fine. You can kind of see that it matches. I will be doing more videos like this with earrings, so don't worry. I love making earrings. I'm also making necklaces. I'm trying to do bracelets, and rings are kind of hard to do. You'll be seeing more of that. If you like this video, please like and subscribe, okay? And I'll see you in the next video. Bye!
Subscribe!